How to change username in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile name. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Tap on it. Now on the top, you'll be able to see your username. Tap on it again. Here, a different browser will pop up. Now in order to edit it, here you can see a small edit button. Tap on it again. Here, you can see the photo, name and email address. Now tap on this name section. Here, you can customize your name whatever you like. So I'm writing a random name here, and now tap on save. So if you go back, all your profile will be changed to the name that you have just kept in. So as you can see, my username has been changed. So the same username will pop up in every orders that you place. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.